Document types. There are two classes of document types in Daphne document management. These are upload types and template types. Upload type documents are various Office documents that are uploaded and prepared by their editors. For example, Excel, Word, and PowerPoint. If the form template field is left blank when adding the document type, it is assumed to be an upload type document. Document templates are ready-to-fill document types that are pre-prepared with an HTML-based editor. Think of a sales contract. You can quickly produce a document by making a few changes to the template. The titles of the parties, the prices, and maybe one or two items to be added or changed in the template. The remaining parts can be used exactly as they are. Quality instructions and procedures can also be designed as template documents or, as another option, uploaded to the system in Word or PDF format. You decide which one to choose according to your needs. We recommend you upload your existing quality system documents as they are, and if necessary, switch them to template document format later. In templates, variable keywords such as %doctitle, %docno, %revno, and tables such as %revisions table, %distribution table, %approval table can be automatically retrieved from the document data.